Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change the appearance or theme in the eToro.com account. If you are using eToro and want to change the appearance of the platform, you can switch between light mode and dark mode. So here's how you do it. First of all, open a web browser and type in eToro.com in the URL box and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of eToro, go ahead and get to the left-hand side menu, scroll down and look for Settings and click on it. Once you're inside the Settings menu, click on Display. Under Display, you'll see the Themes tab. Select between the themes available. You can choose Light Theme, Dark Theme, or System Theme. Choose any one option. If you want a dark theme for your account, you can choose the dark option and you'll notice the immediate dark theme applied to your eToro account's interface. So that's how you easily change between themes in eToro.com in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.